What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to cover Monday's session, and then we're going to jump right into Tuesday's game plan. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow morning. 9 o'clock, got some home price index. 10 o'clock, consumer confidence and jobs opening. Those things will move the market tomorrow. So if you're in place, just make sure you understand that we might experience a little volatility. So let's go ahead and jump into our first ticker. We're going to go ahead and start with the newbies and the beginner plays. Let's go ahead and dive into it. We got Palantir up right out of the gate. We got the boom boom candles. Boom. They ran that thing to 27.80, trucking down. We started coming down. I think I had a level in Palantir, puts at 27.30. We got that red candle. Boom. What happens? Another candle under VWAP. Guys, I taught you the 3-step process on a video that was dropped over the weekend. I gave you the numbers at 27.30 for puts. We got under VWAP, we get one red candle. That's the break. Invalid. You do not get into that play right there. A lot of people think just because you get a first red candle, you're supposed to dive in. No, you're not doing that. That is not confirmation. You get the boom boom candle. Boom. It always tries to come back to retest the highs. And they dropped it. They ran it back up. Bear smacked them again. We going down to VWAP. We go under the 9 EMA. Tell you, if we start losing the 9, it's coming down. That third candle, boom. They took us all the way to the 200 EMA. Where are we sitting? We're sitting at 27.24. Now I'm like getting ready. I'm like, man, here's that break. We under 27.30. But what do we get the next candle? Boom. They run it all the way back up to VWAP, my blue line. Again, that tells you, you always wait for confirmation. Doesn't matter that 27.30 hit. We didn't get the confirmation to jump into puts. We got rejected off VWAP. Now I'm really interested because of the rejection. We come back down. We can't even get over the 9 EMA. That tells me, all right, it's ready to get good. We break up under the 20. This candle. Boom. Now we sit in 27.20. We get another green candle to ride up, try to test VWAP again. Bear said not today. Boom. Now we sitting at 27.30. Where did I say? 27.30. You got your break of 27.30. That's candle 1. You got your hold, and they ran it to the 200, and that's your entry. Boom. They ran that thing down to 26.72. We're done with that play right there. We're out. We supposed to have exited right at that green candle right there. We're gone. We ain't in this play no more. They took it back to the 9 EMA. What do I tell you? They always going to try to come back down. Boom. They ran it down. They ran it back up. We playing with the 9 EMA. You get that next candle, that tells you we done broke the 9 EMA. They ran it all the way to the 20, which is my orange line on here. Then they start chopping all the way back up. We get to VWAP. And I tell you, if we do not hold VWAP, it's coming back down. And you see what happened. Boom. They ran it all the way back down to 26.89. And then you get power hour. Power hour, you expect the unexpected. They ran it back up in that last candle. We got a drop. What I want to see for tomorrow, expectations, newbies, beginners, go ahead and take your notes. I want to see the first shelf at 27.20 get taken out. We can start breaking 27.20 and start holding those levels. We got another shelf level sitting at 27.30, my original number. We break that, we can start trimming this thing back up north. For puts tomorrow, if we can break through 26.90, Bear's going to swing this thing back to this low over here, 26.75. We break that, man, they're coming down. They got a lot of room to run back down. We'll play it level to level. Again, don't jump in the first red candle you see. Don't jump in the first green candle you see. Next ticker up. We're going to do something different today. We're going to play Baby Tesla. Shout out to the spirit of Ebony for dropping this gem. TSLL, putting it on my radar, and beginners, newbies. Y'all give her some love out there because I love it when the family does something like this to help out other family members. So shout out to you. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into TSLL, aka Baby Tesla. Right out of the gate, we came through. We got that boom boom candle. Boom. Now, you looking to jump in? I didn't have a play on this one right here, but if I would have been calling shots on this one, I would have said the break at 1140. It's calls for me. That's the break. One candle. That's the hold. The third candle is the entry. Boom. Boom. I would have got out right here at this candle as soon as it ran up and came back to the highs of that previous candle. It's time to get out of that play right there. We already made our money. Peace out. We getting up out of that thing. They ran it up to a high of 1205 and then boom, ran that thing all the way back down to the 50 EMA. It got rejected off the 50 and they ran that thing all the way back up. And then we came back down a little bit. This is a good one. I'm going to keep my eye on this one right here and start playing this play. I like this play. From what I've seen of it, this is a good scalp. You can probably scalp this, and it got some good moves in here. I like that opening move, and then it gave you an open and drop, gave you another run up. I like plays like this. It's definitely going to have D-Fresh's attention going forward. Shout out to you for giving me that play in the Discord today. What I want to see with this one, if you are a bull, you want to see 1205 get taken out. They can push this thing higher. If you are a bear, you want to see first level at 1155 get taken out. You got some more areas over here at 1140. If we can start taking those areas down, man, they got room to drop. Your next shelf level they're going to try to run it to will be 1115 and then a collapse after that. We'll handle levels there in real time once we get there. But again, don't jump in the first move that you see. Wait for confirmation. We ain't giving money away. All right, that's enough for the newbies and the beginners out there. Let's go ahead and dive into the big boys, SPY, Tesla. All right, and SPY, right out of the gate, them cats said, boom. They ran all the way to 547.05. They couldn't handle it from that point. I had puts at 545.90 and boom, they ran down. Boom. We sitting at 545.90-ish. They broke under VWAP. Boom. You get that next boom boom candle and it took you all the way back to 546.23. You waiting on that 3 candle. Boom. You get a boom boom candle. And guys, one thing about the boom boom candles, I kind of disregard that. That messes the cadence up. If you get that big boom boom candle, I'm not counting that candle as one no more. Now, if I'm scalping, I'm probably going to dive into that candle, dive into that one and get out right there. You newbies out there that's still trying to learn the game, don't count this as the first confirmation or the second one. These boom boom candles mess everything up. You want regular candles to count that cadence down. Get back to the chart. This is not the 3 count right here. It made that, it dropped up under 545.90. We don't like that move right there. And then this made it invalid, that green candle. But they ran it back up. Boom. They hit VWAP. Boom. That's number 2. That's the hold up under our level. And then we diving in. Boom. We right here. We still ain't broke no levels. We still under the 9 EMA. If you want to stay in that play, stay in it. Because we haven't broke it. They tried to break the 9 EMA, but the next candle, they got smacked right back down. Boom. I even called out in the chart this double bottom right here. I think I took a picture of it and sent it in the Discord. I said this was an easy call, easy play to make. I called that get out of your puts at 542.80 because it was going to bounce there. I said the bulls are hiding out at 542.80. And what happens at 542.80? What do you see right here? Where do you see candles close at? 542.80. Boom, man. If you took that break right there, you know what? Shout out to everybody that took that break right there at 542.80 and you trusted the process and you jumped into calls because look what happened. Boom! We ran that thing all the way to 547.05. That's a $5 run, man. We came back down. It got smacked right there. We came back down. We lost VWAP, that blue line. Chopped a little bit. Not interested in that play. Here's a play at Power Hour. A little run up, and then of course you get the drop at the end of Power Hour back to 544.45. So guys, what I want to see in Tesla for tomorrow, I want to see, we finished out at 544.75. I want to see bears, what they want to do, you want to open up with 545.35 or lower. They start taking out that level right there. You got the next level sitting at 543.80. They break that right there. You got this low right here. If bears can start breaking through 542.80, next level down is 541.70. We'll handle in real time once we get there. If you are a bull, you want to see them take out 546, that shelf level right there, and then you want to come back over here. They can take out that level. They can run that thing back to the high at 547.05, and they can keep moving this meter higher. We're going to go ahead and go into our next ticker, which is Tesla. Tesla gave us some goodies too, man. I think this was the best call out of the day right here in Tesla. If you took that play that I threw out in my announcement section, you ate good on this play right here. And shout out to everybody that did it. Champagne glasses in the air. You guys out there grinding, holding it down, and making that bread. I salute you. Good job. We see right out of the gate. I had calls at 224.40 break. Boom. We already over that right there. Just think that's a fluke. Number two, you get your code. Boom. We running that thing all the way up to 34.05. They ran it to that level up there and they got smacked right back down. If you following the 3-step puts, boom, boom, boom. That thing ran it all the way back down to 27.25. Once they got up to this break right here, 23.95, I said if we lost levels at 231.85, that was the entry for puts. And you see the break, the hold, boom, we getting into that play and we riding it down. I'd have probably got out right around the 50 break, because I know whenever it gets to the 50 EMA, the 200 EMA, VWAP, we get some kind of reaction back in the other direction. I'm a scalper. I try to be in and out. I don't want to have nothing to do with that nonsense. Right off the bounce on the 20, boom, ran that thing back to 234. Almost made a double top, not quite. And then they ran it, they chopped it, came down a little bit, and then they ran it back to about 232.65. If you are bullish, what you want to see tomorrow, you want to see, you guessed it, you want to see this level at 234.05 get taken out. They can start taking out that level right there. I got to run up to 234.65 before you get some turbulence. And then the next area, 235.80, they're going to take out. Then after that, 236.86. And after that, we'll handle in real time. If you are a bear, what you want to see in the bearish move, you want to see first level at 229.15 get taken out. They can take out that level. I got another shelf level right here at 227.12. They take that out. Little turbulence at 226. They coming back down to 222 and lower. We'll handle that in real time once those levels get taken out. As with all the rest of the plays, don't just get in the play to get in the play because you see the first green or red candle. Always wait for confirmation. I want to cover one thing today. Just want to give a shout out to this individual right here. Exchange Alchemist said AD Fresh got in on the reversal on SPY and made a good profit following your advice and the videos you sent me on interest. No hesitation, and then controlled a slow move up my stop loss. Thanks as always for the help. Now looking for my next setup and move. Shout out to you. I'm proud of you. I've been watching you progress. It's a beautiful thing. Keep grinding. That made me feel good. Much love to you. Keep on the grind. Champagne bottles your way. Good job. All right, guys, I'm not going to take no more of your time. Hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, periodic call outs on your favorite plays, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. Link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.